Now that I had everyone's name and job, it was time that I found out what happened with and what they were planning. Margaret was planning a surprise birthday. I see. They didn't have... It was as I thought. Freddy... This office... This happened because there was another bag that's identical to his. The bag that he picked up belonged to... the Salami Bandit! This made him a target. And to get rid of Freddy, the Salami Bandit decided to frame him.
Everyone! It's time for... Okay, get into position. I just texted her.
Huh? What's this?
Surprise!
No way. This is... Huh?
Oh.
Salami? What a terrible present. No, you silly idiot! The real present got stolen and switched for salami.
It's the salami bandit!
I saw an awful lot of high-grade salami in Fredrickson's bag.
And now there's no question who the perpetrator is. I've been telling you all along, we can't trust Frederiksen. By the end of the day, he'll be fired. Mark my words.
Seems like a bit of an overreaction to a present being stolen. Or is there more to it?
That's not nice at all. Who messes with someone's birthday? That's not nice. Who messes with someone's birthday?
Are you getting along with Rufus Sedaris?
You know, the two of us are from the older generation, which means we understand each other well. He is quite harsh towards the younger ones, though.
It'll be okay. You have the duck detective here to figure...
What can you possibly do? Leave me alone. Oh, what should I do?
How are you getting on with Margaret Whitlock?
Oh, she's sweet and all, but she can't keep her mouth. She goes around the office telling everyone about my private...
What kind of a person is Boris Petrovich?
That's the last thing I want to think about right now. I honestly don't know what I saw in him. I guess he's kind of good looking.
What can you tell me about Laura Angst?
Do you really have to interrogate me right now? Well, Laura needs to chill out. I do love her, but if she keeps living like this, she'll have a heart attack by 23.
Someone gifted Sophie a plushie. It says, limited edition. It's a heart-shaped necklace. Looks tacky. I wonder what the purpose of that letter is. Oh God. What did I just read?
Do you think she liked my present? I mean, now she's crying, but I think I saw a sparkle in her eyes when she opened mine. should really get back to work.
Can you tell me something about the...
Sophie won't even talk to me about it. I don't know what to do.
Gross. I doubt they washed their hands after leaving that greasy... What do you think about this letter?
People don't know how to write letters by hand anymore. What's with the weird line breaks? Not a fan of all. People just cry over everything these days.
They really think I've done it! Duck Detective, you have to help me! You know it wasn't me, right?
You'll just have to trust me.
Maybe it was too romantic. Did Sophie ask about me?
She might have meant...
Did she really? I bet my present will blow her away.
So, nothing got stolen after. It seemed that the salami present was intentional. What do they have against potatoes? Sophie was receiving threats. I needed to find out why. Do you know anything about this letter?
Well, it's obviously a cheap prank by Frederson. Only he would find this funny.
What do you know about Laura Ang?
Oh, she's a fantastic employee. She basically does the work of 5 people.
What is Rufus Sedaris like?
Not the greatest. He came with the building.
What can you tell me about Boris Petrovich?
He's, but it's difficult finding replacements nowadays.
Do you think... I mean, now she's crying. I think I saw a spark. Huh? I should really get back to work.
Oh,
That's not nice at all. Who messes with someone's birthday?